going on, everybody? It's your boy TitanicFeetJack, and I'm back at you again with another video. Yes, your boy finally is back. Had a lot of things going on, but I still was buying shoes, and so a lot of these you probably seen on sneaker YouTube already. I appreciate everyone that reached out in the comments. Appreciate y'all reaching out. But yeah, I'm straight. I'm back, and I'm going to show you guys the sneakers that I picked up. Not much of a review per se. I'm just going to open the boxes. I have 9 boxes of shoes here. We're going to open them up, but before we get into all that, I need a couple of things from you guys. I need you to hit that like button on today's video. Do drop those comments down below in that comment section. Let me know your thoughts on the video and the sneakers themselves. Do hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I come back with another video. And if you haven't already and you like the content that you're watching, I ask that you sub up to the channel. And also, if you look for some fresh gear, you can go to my website. It's linked down in the box below. There is seasonsoul.com. You can find some fresh gear to go with the sneakers that you're buying. So let's get right into it. We got my lucky box cutter, and I may not need it for the first box we have here. We got a pull tab. I think this came from Nike. Let's see what we got in these boxes. Try not to have this video long and drawn out. Alright, we got a side fitting B-Nord from Nike. This is the box. Throw that aside. Check it out. Box label. I believe I know what this is. Fold over box. Okay, alright. We got the Grape 5s. Your boy got these. I hit on these sneakers. The sneakers release. Did you guys get this sneaker? Let me know. Let me know down below in the comment section. What are your thoughts on the Grape 5s? Alright, let's go ahead and stack these. Yes, we're gonna go on to the next box. Try and get through this as quickly as possible. Alrighty. This is a big, oops. Yep, this is a big box. Alrighty. What do we have here? Oh, we got a receipt. Oh, this is from New Balance. Okay, yeah, alright. I know what these are. We have a gray box. Show you what the box tag is. Yeah, I bought these for work. These to add to my work rotation. Finally got my first pair of New Balance 9060s. All black, triple black. I believe there's a hit of anthracite in here. If you guys have this New Balance silhouette, comment down below. Let me know. What do you guys think of the comfort level? I actually saw these on New Balance. I was actually on break, and I got the alert that these were available. Myself and a couple of my co-workers purchased these. But, I was able to get these in a size 14, so pretty excited to add those to my work collection. That was box number 2. So now we're gonna go to box number 3. See what we got here. Alrighty. Okay, yeah, got my receipt. This came from out west in Cali. You see the box? Y'all know what these are, the new box. Yes, take the box off, fold over paper. The Black Mamba. Yes, I hit for retail on Undefeated for the Kobe Dodgers. This is my first ever raffle win on Undefeated. I used the Equal or the EQL app, and your boy got a retail pair of the Kobe Dodgers. Hopefully, Undefeated see fit to bless me with a pair of those Undefeated 4s when they release. I definitely would like a pair of those. I mean, how do you guys feel about all these sneakers that are once Grails retroing? Comment down below, let me know. I've been hearing different points of views. I respect them, but I would just like to hear your guys' point of view. Me personally, it's just shoes. Everybody likes to wear shoes, but I get both sides of the argument. Me, it doesn't bother me one way or the other. It's not gonna add any years to my life if I get the shoe or not. Alright, open this box. Okay, this comes from Foot Locker. Alright, what did I get from Foot Locker? Let's toss the box over there. We have an orange Nike box. That's the box label. Oh, alright. Yeah, I went back old school with it. We got the airmax Plus Triple Black. Another pair to add to my work collection. Comment down below if y'all remember these. Yeah, these are some pretty popular sneakers growing up. And shoot, it was kind of a nostalgia buy, and I know they're comfortable. I'm always looking for comfortable shoes to wear to work, so that was an option for me. So alright, that was 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So alright, we're gonna go to box number 5. Yeah, thank you to you guys that are still here with me watching the video as we open up all these boxes. Alrighty, what do we have here? We have a Nike SB box. Alrighty. Alright, here's a look at the box. And here is the box label. Alright, that's for the... Oh, yeah. I forgot I had reached back and got these. Shout out to Uncle Billy Goat. And when I pull this bandana out, y'all should know what these are. These one of the accessories that came with this sneaker. This sneaker was delayed for so long. I had been looking for the sneaker for months. It's been delayed so long they even renamed it. They were supposed to be called the Black History Month, but now they're called a name that I don't remember. I don't intend to use the name, but this is a clean pair of sneakers. This is my first time seeing them in hand. Oh, and they got that silky sock liner. Ooh, yeah. This is a nice sneaker, guys. The Black History Month. Yep, your boy got them. Yep, I told y'all I was still buying shoes. I just had a lot going on where I wasn't making videos, but I was getting shoes. Alrighty, we're gonna go to box number 6. Alright, what is this? I don't need my lucky box cutter for this one. Let's see what we got here. Yep. What shoes are y'all looking forward to that's coming up? I know we got a few that's coming up. Alright. This looks like it came from Nike. Alright, we got a pair of Air Max. 360 of the box. Air Max. Box label. Go ahead and fold that over. Alright. This is the Yeah, the 95, the bright mandarin colorway. Yes, comment down below. Did you guys go for these? Yeah, I remember I hit these on the Nike sneakers app. This is a nice pair of sneakers, but you guys know I would much rather a different colorway. The OG, the lime. Y'all know what happened to my pair. I posted it on my stories. I was out of town and I put them on and it crumbled on me. Sad story. And then it pushed those back until next year or so. We're gonna hope that I can get a pair for retail next year. As I open this next box, let's see what this box is. Okay. Alright. We're gonna go ahead, toss this box to the side. Here you see we got a Jordan box, size 15. Oh yeah, alright. This is a double up because I actually hit on Champs 0 head starts for these. Yep, another pair of the Jordan 5 grapes. Is this shoe double up worthy? It remains to be seen. Comment down below. Let a brother know. I have boxes all over in here. Oh man. Alright guys, we going with the next box. Go ahead and cut that open. This is the second to the last pair. I mean, I really don't remember off the top of my head what all these sneakers are. I'm trying to remember what possibly could be left. Alright, this box. Oh, this is actually not sneakers. Oh, I know what this is. Well, y'all know the Super Bowl was down here in New Orleans this past February, and the NFL shop was down here at Sneaker Politics, and this jacket was one of the items that was here. And the price for that jacket was ridiculously high. It was $1,200 US, and they continued to mark it down and mark it down, and finally it got to a price where I was basically, it came down to a price of a pair of sneakers. And plus, if you have the Sneaker Politics app, they have rewards, so I was able to use my rewards and get this even cheaper. This is the Letterman jacket. It was for the Super Bowl that was down here in New Orleans. It was something that I definitely wanted, being a native of New Orleans, living down here. Something that we definitely is a keepsake. I mean, at one point we was leading as far as the whole city of Super Bowls, and due to Hurricane Katrina, I think Miami passed us up or something, but we're coming back. We're gonna get more Super Bowls, but this is memorabilia from this recent Super Bowl, Super Bowl 59, which the Eagles won over Kansas City, and we had a couple of Louisiana boys on that team. Former Heisman Trophy winner Devontae Smith from Amite, Louisiana, but that was in this box. Let me know what y'all think of this jacket. This jacket is fire. And here we go, guys, the last box. Let's see what's in here. The last box. I really forgot about that jacket. I'm gonna have to hang that jacket up. Oh, okay. I know what this is. Yeah. unbox this box over here. You see this box. What we got here? Individual wrap sneaker. Let's see. Oh, okay. The Ferrari 14s. Let me know what y'all think of these. These were kind of a limited release. I did not hit on my size. After my size sold out, I went back in and I hit on this size right here, which is a US Men 12. So I'm definitely looking to trade this for my size 14. So I'm gonna be looking to trade this. Hopefully the people on trade block have came to their senses, and I could get a fair trade for these. So out of all the shoes and the jacket that I unboxed here today, what was your favorite item that I unboxed today? Let me know down in the comments below and I'm gonna roll out. But before I do, like I always tell you guys, if you can help somebody get a sneaker, help them get that sneaker, because you never know when it will be your turn to need help getting the sneaker. I'm TitanicFeetJack, signing out.